WhatsApp Status tab is now replaced by Updates, and Meta has launched this new channel feature globally. The popular messaging app has introduced the channel feature, which allows you to create your own channel and gain millions of subscribers to it. Besides, you can also gain unlimited followers and earn money as well. How? Well, stay tuned to know all of it. If you haven't moved to the Updates feature yet, or already using this feature, then this video is going to give you a lot of information about this WhatsApp new update 2023. Hey guys! It's your applauded tech channel, The Brainy Potato, where you get interesting updates on trending tech topics. Before we proceed, it's Google's 25th anniversary today, the 27th of September 2023. So I would like to wish Google a very happy anniversary, thanking for all the knowledge we have gained from it. Now, without any further ado, watch this video until the end to learn all about this new update. Let's discuss what is WhatsApp channel feature and how it works. Meta launched the channels feature for Android and iOS users. You can still see the status updates of your friends by sliding the updates on the top of this section. Under the status section, you will see channels. This newly added feature in WhatsApp will allow you to create your own channel and gain millions of subscribers. Besides, you can also grow your YouTube channel by sharing it with unlimited audiences who have followed your WhatsApp channel. Furthermore, you can also earn money from your WhatsApp channel through affiliate marketing. You can promote products and get commissions from them. In addition to it, if you run your business, you can sell your own products. To reap these amazing advantages of the WhatsApp channel feature, you need to create your own channel in the first place. Thereafter, you can earn with your WhatsApp channel. Now, if you are not sure how to create a WhatsApp channel, worry not, as we have covered it all for you. Let's follow the steps to create WhatsApp channel. When in the Updates section, you will see a plus icon in front of the Channels option. Just click on it and it will open a drop-down list having options Create Channel and Find Channel. You need to click on the Create Channel option. After selecting it, you will see all the conditions related to the channel, and you have to click Continue after reading them. On the next screen, enter your channel name and describe your channel and why it is useful for the followers. So basically, you need to enter an interesting description so that it makes people follow you. After entering the description, hit the Create Channel button located underneath. Now your channel is ready. In case you want to edit the WhatsApp channel for the entered details, just click on your channel name on the top and then click the three-dot menu on the next screen. If you want to share your WhatsApp channel with more and more friends, you can find the channel link right beside your channel name on the top. It will give you different sharing options, such as sharing the channel link via WhatsApp, sharing to status, copying the link and sharing the link using different applications. If you are thinking, how can I delete my WhatsApp channel, it can be done with a few simple steps. To delete your WhatsApp channel, just click your channel name on the top. Thereon, you can see the delete button at the bottom on the next screen. Just click on the delete button. Here, you will have to verify this deletion by entering your mobile number. Once done, your channel is deleted. Hope this video was informative. So what you have to say on this WhatsApp channel update, share your opinion using the comment box. Thanks for watching.